guys, one of the major issues that people that are looking for remote jobs or any job at all face is lack of information. Like, they don't know the jobs that are currently hiring, and most times by the time they may find out, the jobs are already expired. Take for instance, if you go to LinkedIn to look for jobs, you will see that some of the jobs there are either expired, or the jobs that were posted 20 minutes have already gotten like 100 applicants. And when you see all those things, you get discouraged. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to share with you how you can use Chatgpt, and that is the same thing I do, to be able to find jobs that are hiring every week. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to be focusing more on startup jobs. Now, the reason for this is because startups are the ones that are always hiring, and you can tell that they are serious whenever they are ready to hire, because they are starting up, they have a lot of work to do, and most times they have very little human resources to help out with the job. So whenever they are out to look for applicants, you know that they are very much serious. And another reason is because even if you don't have tons of experience, if they desperately need someone, they're willing to train the person to come on board. So that is why, as a beginner, you should consider startups. But also you have to know that you should be really ready to work and get stretched, because those are the things you should be expecting. So that being said, I'm also going to share with you how you can automate these jobs that can allow Chatgpt to send you these jobs directly to your email once they are open, so you know how and where to get started. So to get started, you're going to use Chatgpt, and of course, Chatgpt has a free version. So you're going to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, click personalization. Now you're going to see all these icons here, but for the purpose of this video, our focus is on notification. Then you go to notification, and then you're going to see tasks. So it says get notified when tasks you've created have updates. So here you click push for this push here, and for email you click push for email as well to make it active. So once you have done that, then you're going to use this prompt. Now if you're interested in this prompt, just comment prompt in the comment section, and I'm going to send it directly to you. So this prompt is well detailed. Like, if you go through it, you can see it's very long, but that is why you have to make it long, to give all the description, everything you need. Like, if you go through the prompt here, you can see it's a weekly remote US design startup job search. Like, I'm a US designer, so that's why I'm using US. Now I've given it the objective, my profile summary, everything it has to know about me when it comes to US design, like my experiences, the tools I use, and all those stuff. So the search instruction is also here. I specify that you should look for these startup jobs across platforms like built-in, well-found, or angel list, remote OK, work remotely, dribble jobs, and LinkedIn jobs as well. So I also asked you to focus on startups from Series A to C, including remote, hybrid, or work from anywhere roles only. Now for each role, I asked you to extract the job title, company name, direct application link, and location or time zone preferences. Then 5 keywords on the phrase from the job description as well. And then I asked you for technical skills and tools that should be mentioned, and then online summary of what the company does. So I asked you to present it in tabular form, and I asked you to give me the roles, company location, link, and 5 keywords, 5 technical skill, company summary, and then limit the results to 10 to 15 best matches. Then the output format, I asked you to give me a neatly formatted Markdown or HTML table that can easily copy into an email or Notion database. So if you want, you can re-edit this anyhow you want it. Now I asked it for additional filter and preferences and every other thing, including some highlights and bonuses. And then I also gave it my end goal, like to let it understand what I actually wanted to achieve with this prompt I'm giving it. So once you have given it this detailed prompt, then you're going to ask it to generate. Okay, so Chatgpt has finished generating, and it gave me everything in tabular form. For me to be able to see more of the things it gave me on this table, I can just copy it from here and go to Google Docs to expand it to look at it better. So you can see it has a lot of companies that it gave me that are hiring, and showed me how to apply for it. This one is via Indeed, this one is Indeed, this one is design job listing, and lots of other things. So it gave me also its observation and gaps, and something I have to go through to read to understand. Suggestion also to improve the hit rate. It also gave me suggestions, so to show you how powerful Chatgpt is. So it has given me everything I need. It's not left for me to work on it. Now if I'm able to go through everything it gave me and decide to work on it, I already have my template about how I can actually tailor my job search with each job role that I see, depending on the company, because companies differ and you cannot be using the same resume and the same cover letter, to apply for different jobs. So you have to make sure that everything is customized, ATS friendly, and tailored to each job. So for that reason, I'll use my 12 in one job application bundle. And if you are interested, I have prepared a 12 in one job application bundle that can allow you to do all this seamlessly without stress. All you have to do is just copy and paste, edit, and add anything that you need to add and remove the things you need to remove. With the link in the description below, you can grab your copy and get started making your job application. So you should check it out. Now, that being said, the best part is it can enable you to restructure your portfolio or anything you need to present to be able to stand a better chance of getting the job. So that is what you have to do. Once you have done that and made your application, then you can go over to the next thing. Now, if you want ChatGPT to be sending you these jobs as alert every time they have job opening, it could be weekly, it could be daily, then you're going to use this prompt to ask it to help you with this. So it will show you how you can set up. So you're going to ask it to configure an automated daily task at 10 a.m. to search for remote jobs and all this stuff. So the prompt is here. If you also want this one, I'm going to leave this one in the description of this video so you can easily get it from there. So this is the prompt you're going to use. So this one will enable ChatGPT to be sending you job alerts anytime there is jobs, so you can be the first set of people to apply. So here is how to implement the automation. It's going to show you the processes you're going to take. Like you choose your scraping or search method, use APIs and all this stuff. So you extract and filter to be able to know the exact job you're looking for, and then you format it into table or email. You can build the HTML or plain text table. Then you also include keywords for tailoring. All right, so if you want ChatGPT to help make automation such that you can be getting the job alerts directly to your email, you can use this prompt and you can ask it to make a configuration that can help you get job alert emails so that you can make application immediately. Now, you have to understand that ChatGPT may not really have the power to send it directly to your email, but it will tell you how to automate your email such that you can be getting it directly. So here is how it's going to show you how to set it up. This is a step-by-step automation daily US job search and email. So you use the automation setup. So you have to use other AI tools like Make or Zapier to be able to set up your automation, including the schedule, the actions like you run ChatGPT for website and the send email. Then you paste this prompt into ChatGPT or OpenAI. So it's going to give you the prompt you're going to paste as well to enable you to be getting the job after you must have finished setting up your automation. So you also see other things like examples for today. These are jobs that are opening today that you can actually take advantage of and to get started. So this is how these things work. So as a beginner, you need all these things to be able to stay ahead because the competition is quite high, and the earlier you get notified about jobs that are opening right now, the better you stand the chance of making application. And with ChatGPT, you can have everything tailored the way you want it. And if you see value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for other remote jobs you might want to do it, check out this video, or how you can make money with Nano Banana. Do it, also check out the videos on my channel. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.